You ready to be more productive in ClickUp? Cool. Let me tell you my top 5 tips to make you more productive. And considering you want to make you more productive, I'm going to skip the whole intro and get straight to number 1. ClickUp docs. Love them. However, they are working a little bit more like Notion documents than Word documents. So if you want to use ClickUp docs to collect your templates for emails or websites, blog posts, whatever it is, you potentially can run into the issue that when you copy and paste things don't look like you are used to. It's not a Word document. However, there is a little workaround where when you are in ClickUp Docs, use the code block feature that has a plain text mode, or for our WordPress people out there, you can plug in your HTML code right here for your blog with all of the fanciness. And now you can use ClickUp Docs really productively to collect your templates too. Productivity hack number 2, recurring tasks. Guys, if you are not running recurring tasks, why are you here? Subscribe to the channel because we want to make you more productive, right? We have 2 different ways of recurring tasks. It is really simple. Things like profit first allocation. If you don't know profit first, go look it up. It's the best way of handling your finances in your business. You got to check your 404s on your website. You need to pay estimated taxes. You need to run your Finance Friday. There are so many things that regularly have to happen in your business. And you are not being productive if you still have it on pen and paper. And did I do that? Didn't I do that? When does that have to happen? How does that have to happen? Please, let's set up recurring tasks for this, which is just as simple as in your due date to really just set a recurring task. In this case, it is set to every month. The standard recurring tasks makes it really, really, really simple. Now, there is legacy recurring task, which can be quite overwhelming, but has some serious advanced features too. We hardly ever use legacy recurring tasks anymore because it's simply not needed. But if you have a weird setup where you're trying to make something happen, I would look into legacy recurring tasks. And here's a little pro tip: create a new task. You want to know and celebrate if you've done something. To me, there's hardly ever a reason to just move the same task moving forward. Just create a new task. Number 3, you can template everything. Template it, template it, template it, template it. You're looking right here at my short form content creation list. Let's talk about what we can template right in here. I can turn this task into a template. Let's just scroll over there. Template center, save as a template. It is really this simple. And little pro tip again here too, if you save parts of your tasks that you want to run as a subtask, you can stack templates, meaning phase number 1, template, apply it to the main task as a subtask. There it is. Save the secondary, apply it to the main task. Now you got your second stage. Just a little side tip right here. Same with any kind of lists. So to give you the big idea, we can save tasks, we can save lists, we can save folders, and we can save spaces as template. Now think of it as a box and a box and a box and a box. If you save a space as a template, you are saving the folders, the lists, and all the tasks in it. If you are saving a task as a template, you are only saving the task with all the information in that task. Now that brings me to a couple of fanciness that has happened in here. But first, number 4, to hack your productivity right here in ClickUp, custom views. This right here is the perfect example of how much ClickUp custom views can make you more productive. Again, this is short form content. We publish short form content on Instagram, YouTube, as well as TikTok. And let's be honest, managing short form content when you are publishing daily on 3 different platforms, holy cannoli. With that, we have right here in this list of short form content, our everything view. That's all of the content. There is nothing done in this custom view. It's literally just, it's still a custom view because we grouped it by type. But other than that, it's everything. Then you've seen we use checkboxes as well as custom date fields to be able to tell when did we post it where. You will get the full video on that here coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. With that, we build custom views specifically grouped by status with filters based on, hey, is TikTok checked? Because if it's checked, it's published, I don't need it in here. The same thing with YouTube, the same thing with Instagram. Now we build a custom view for specific use cases of what needs to go live on Instagram, what needs to be published on YouTube, and what are we sending out on TikTok. Can you imagine the productivity ramp up by just being able to go in here, TikTok, what needs to be published, and it tells me. Now, with having built these custom views with all of the things and all of the information and all of the custom fields and all the things, here is your premium tip number 5. You can template custom views. If you go right in here, you see your template center and you can save this specific custom view that might have taken you an hour to set up, and save it as a template. Import it to your clients, import it somewhere else where you need it. It is right there for you. Now, if you want to see how we manage hundreds and hundreds of short form content videos on multiple platforms, you better be subscribing because you're gonna miss it when this video comes out. And it will be right on this playlist for our content creation workflows, where I show you how we manage a ton of content really easily right here in ClickUp.